have experience of shooting Big Boss India for 9 years. So how are you planning the ninth year, firstly? And secondly, how was the first experience of shooting Big Boss China in India?
Well, yeah, we've produced, this is the ninth season of the Hindi Big Boss. We've produced three other regional seasons, so obviously there's a lot of experience. We bring in a lot of international learnings as well from various seasons of Big Brother across. And obviously we've planned a lot of things in the Double Trouble theme. I can't speak too much in detail about what's really going to happen week on week. For that, we'll have to tune in. And as for the Chinese version of Big Brother, we extended the invitation to them. They came across, they used our experience and learnings in the last nine years. And like we just thought, there's a mantra of Make in India. So we just took that forward and really collaborated with the Chinese team.
Salman, here, Jyoti here.
Jyoti, sir.
How are you?
All good, sir. आप single कब हो रहे हो, sir?
The day you become double, I promise I'll become single.
Sir, how sweet, sir. If there is a chance that I would, by chance, get double, only to get triple, sir, or chobal. Otherwise, sir, I'm fine, sir, the way I am, sir.
Salman,
Sir, you have to try my life, sir. You love it, sir.
अच्छा सवाल ये है
सवाल क्या है, sir?
For the past
अच्छा, वो सोचिए वो सवाल था.
नहीं
वो statement था आपका.
Statement था.
अच्छा, thank you, sir.
It's almost silver jubilee since you entered films as an actor, and you have been anchoring, mashallah, better and better every time, especially Big Boss is concerned.
Thank you, sir.
So what do you use from your aspect as an actor in Big Boss as a host, and what you do in Big Boss as a host when you set out to act?
Sir, I don't use anything, sir. In Big Boss, as an actor, I don't use anything, sir. Not 1% of acting or anything that you'll see of me in Big Boss. I mean, if you see, there's sometimes they cut off stuff that I say. I mean, and that's my life. And I, share it with these people because I know that I'm sharing it with these people because the situation that they're going through there in the house is such that it reminds me of a situation that I've gone through in my life or a friend of mine has gone through in his life, So I share that. Sometimes, they keep it, sometimes they cut it out. But there's nothing as a star as Salman Khan, the actor. It is always Salman Khan, the person, Salman Khan, Salim Khan's son, Sohail Khan's brother, Abbas Khan, and Alvira, Arpita's brother. Just this, and friends, what I've learned, what all I've heard, read, what are my experiences, what I've seen, I just keep on putting that thing. And, sometimes it doesn't come to me. And I keep on watching the shows all the time. So when I see it coming, what I do is, जब आता है तो, so what I do is कि अब भूल गया, इसने ये बोला या भूल गया, I should have said this. So I get a chance the next week. Because ये ऐसा हुआ था तुम्हारे साथ, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था. So then I give them an example of that.
I think that is the reason you connect to the common man
जी
through
sir.
the.
जी sir.
Thank you.
Because मेरे साथ जो है, as you all must have noticed, what I'm with my friends, what I'm in the living room, I'm with everyone. My bedroom is my bedroom. Apart from that, my living room is the country. I watch it every day. If I don't get to watch it every day, then I make sure that I catch it every alternate day. They give me all the DVDs they give me, and then I see it one night before, and in the morning I've made my notes, and in the morning I see the whole thing again. Yeah, my mom also does that. My mom also likes it. My mom and Hiru auntie, Uma auntie, everyone, all the whole group, they like it. And that is actually my barometer to this show. Sometimes they say, "Isko kya ho gaya?" She will come back and tell the contestant as well. I say, my mom was saying this. Karan's mother was saying this. Prem uncle's, Mrs. auntie was saying this. So these are the people, are because they're samajhdar log, they're senior people, but they're young at heart, they're fun loving, but there is a line that one should not cross.
All right, we're going to take the last question. So
What?
Hi.
If you're,
Hi,
if
Mr.
you're not, if you're not good at what you do, if you're not good at what you do, then there is a problem of overexposure. But if you're doing your thing right, earnestly and with all, you know, all your heart, and people are liking, then I don't think there's anything as overexposure anymore.
Hi, my name is Himanshu and my question is for Mr. Dhar. Can you share some detail about how the Big Boss house is?
Honestly, I can't share the details of the house or the design or the layout. Like I said, everything is planned with Double Trouble as a theme. So you know that says it all. So really can't really reveal too much about this house.
I think that here, Dinesh.
Yes, we'll take your question. Yeah.
How's it going?
Yeah, we're going to take two questions. One, this lady and you, sir.
It's just a coincidence. Nothing was planned like this. But now that it is, we'll take credit for it.
All right.
Since he was the host, you know, so Raji thought it was only fair to, you know, launch the show on Bachchan Saab's birthday.
Bachchan comes on the set that we will correct it also.
This is our way to say happy birthday to you, sir.
All right, I'm sorry, we are just going to take that last question. We have time only for that much. Yes?
Not true at all. Not true at all. Last season, I was shooting for Bajrangi Bhaijaan, so I had to leave. Farah came in. And the TRPs, hakikat baat hai, TRPs were much higher than, not much higher, higher than where I left it. Where I left it. Their fans will do that. And they keep on doing that over and over again. It's respect to them.
Okay.
लास्ट सवाल है ऐसा पूछो कि सुनाई दे अबे यार ये क्या सीरियसली बहुत लीक हो रहा है यार ये
Can you please send a mic there?
It's really leaking, yeah? Yeah, I'm telling you. पूछिए हाँ किसकी किसकी इनको पता था कि ये लास्ट सवाल है तालियां मैडम के लिए तालियां मैडम के लिए क्या जज्बाती सवाल लाइए मैडम आप वाह
On that note, guys, we're going to go for a photo op. We request all the media persons to please go ahead and click this beautiful picture right here. Can we have all the gentlemen please go ahead? Alright, can we clear the chairs at the back, please?